Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We're here another day for another fantastic recipe. And today is the turn of champiñones al ajillo or mushrooms garlic style. It is a lovely and very fast recipe, so don't blink or you will miss it. The ingredients will be in the description box below, and this will be for one person. So if you want to make more, just double the quantities. Let's get into it. Vamos a cocinar. Right, so to start our champiñones al ajillo, we need smoking hot oil first in a pot or in a pan. So we will add our mushrooms and we will cook in high heat for 3 minutes. Right, now that the 3 minutes have gone by, I'm going to add the sherry and I will let reduce. And now that it has reduced, it's been about 4 or 5 minutes, I'm going to add the garlic, sliced garlic, for it to fry. And once that the mushrooms are ready, we'll remove from the heat and we will put in a terracotta pot. If you have a terracotta pot that you can use in your cooker, use it from the beginning because it's better to cook it in a terracotta pot. And now we will add some parsley on top as a decoration. And we will add some salt. And there you go, champiñones al ajillo. I did tell you that if you blink you miss it, so here it is. It smells nice. I hope that you try it and you give it a go and you enjoy it. If you like this recipe and all those in our channel, please do subscribe, do share in Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, share with the world, your friends, eat them, cook it. That's the most important thing, to cook and eat the dishes. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!